To craft a pair of world-class, top-of-the-line speakers, the journey typically begins with the most fundamental woodworking. However, the carpentry involved here is far from simple. Master craftsmen must first prepare dozens of layers of thin wooden veneers, applying a specialized adhesive with perfect uniformity before stacking them together. This step is absolutely critical, as it determines the speaker cabinet's structural integrity, its core density, and the fundamental acoustic characteristics of the entire body. Once the stack is ready, the two masters work in tandem to lift the heavy layers with the utmost care, preparing them for the crucial shaping process. The stacked veneers are placed into a massive mold beneath a staggering hydraulic press. As it engages, the press exerts 10,000 pounds of force, coercing the straight boards into an elegant, sweeping arc. This precisely calculated curvature is designed to eliminate internal standing waves, ensuring a significantly purer sound. After a prolonged period of intense pressurization, the side panel is formed and sent to a CNC machine. There, it undergoes rigorous and precise cutting to ensure every dimension meets the highest standards of excellence. The system relies on sophisticated computer programming to ensure that every cutting path is executed with absolute identical precision. As we observe the process, the machine's cutter head rotates at high speeds across the wooden board, sending sawdust flying in its wake. Whether it is milling the precision-engineered cutouts for the speaker drivers or carving the complex internal reinforcement structures, this advanced machine completes every task in a single, seamless pass. The numerical control machine is so versatile that it even automatically swaps out tool heads to serve different functions, adapting instantly to various processing requirements. A perfect example is happening right now. The machine has just switched to a massive circular saw blade to begin the final, clean trimming of the cabinet's edges. The seamless process embodies the raw power and industrial beauty of the modern age, ensuring every cabinet meets identical specifications for superior acoustics. Next, the machine uses specialized bits for precision milling on internal areas. These intricate grooves, though inconspicuous, are the results of advanced acoustic engineering. Once machining is complete, the focus shifts to traditional craftsmanship. An experienced artisan painstakingly hand sands every detail, particularly the hard-to-reach inner edges. This preliminary sanding leaves the surface remarkably smooth, ready for the internal assembly. Finally, the master carefully glues and embeds a prefabricated wooden frame into the structure to ensure lasting stability. To ensure a rock-solid connection, glue alone is not enough. Mechanical reinforcement is essential. Using a hammer, nails are driven one by one to secure the assembly. These internal reinforcing structures are vital as they dramatically increase the cabinet's rigidity and effectively minimize resonance and unwanted vibrations generated during operation. The installation of every wooden panel follows a strict, systematic procedure. First, they are precisely glued and embedded into place, followed by the use of a nail gun for the final permanent fixation. The construction process is akin to building a complex wooden labyrinth. Once the cabinet's main structure is assembled, the grueling labor of polishing begins. Wearing protective gear, the master craftsman uses a high-powered sander on the exterior, filling the workshop with dust, a testament to the intense force required to achieve absolute flatness. After sanding, a high-pressure air gun blasts away lingering debris, revealing a dramatic transformation from raw wood to a refined texture. Next is the painting and polishing phase, the key to the speaker's aesthetic metamorphosis. Achieving a high-gloss piano black finish requires a multi-stage process of repeated coating, fine sanding, and buffing. Using a professional polisher and specific abrasives, the master works the surface with surgical precision. Even the slightest lapse in concentration could ruin the delicate paint. Finally, a specialized agent is applied for the definitive mirror finish. This series of complex operations results in a breathtaking, perfectly smooth surface. With a gentle wipe, the reflection is as clear as a glass mirror. With the enclosure ready, the master uses an electric drill to prepare the internal mounting holes for the terminal cups. Next, the black front baffle is installed and securely fastened using pneumatic tools for a perfect fit. The top of the speaker is not left idle either. A master craftsman carefully applies adhesive in preparation for the top glass cover. This black glass isn't just an aesthetic touch, it serves a functional purpose by increasing the overall weight and stability of the cabinet. At this stage, the external shell of the speaker is essentially complete. In the warehouse, rows both of finished products and units in progress are already lined up, showcasing the scale of production. Now, let's shift our focus to the heart of the speaker, the manufacturing of its electronic components. A skilled female worker equipped with protective gloves expertly operates a winding machine to wrap thin copper wire into precise concentric coils. These coils are critical components for both the crossover and the speaker units, as their quality has a direct and profound impact on the final sound output. Following this is the assembly of the crossover circuit board, a process that demands the precision of a fine-fire handmade craft. Workers must take capacitors, inductors, resistors, and other original components and, guided by the technical design drawings, accurately populate them onto the circuit board. Next, the soldering process ensures every joint is firm, guaranteeing long-term reliability. Acting as the speaker's brain and traffic cop, the crossover splits the full-spectrum audio into high, mid, and bass frequencies, directing them to the correct units. Once assembled, these boards are staged for installation. Simultaneously, the speaker units are built from scratch. This demands extreme precision, as the exact placement of the magnet, voice coil, and diaphragm dictates the final acoustic performance. The master handles these delicate parts with intense focus. Any minor flaw could lead to audible distortion. Finally, the completed crossover is secured inside the cabinet. The interior is then filled with white acoustic dampening cotton to absorb excess reflections, complementing the cabinet's curved design. To finish, the worker connects the internal wiring and carefully seats the driver units into their reserved mounting holes. The screws are tightened sequentially to ensure the speaker units sit perfectly flush against the cabinet, preventing any air leakage or resonance. Following a precise top-to-bottom order, the tweeter, mid-range, and woofer are each carefully installed. At this moment, a masterpiece is born, a fusion of cutting-edge technology and time-honored craftsmanship. Now, only one final step remains, a rigorous, uncompromising sound quality test to ensure every note is nothing short of perfect. Only after passing every rigorous test to ensure its acoustic performance is absolutely flawless can the speaker finally be delivered to the user. In the end, it finds its rightful place in a home theater setting just like this, becoming the true soul of the entire system. When the music starts, all the complex manufacturing processes, the sophisticated engineering calculations, and the painstaking efforts of the craftsmen are transformed into a moving melody that flows gracefully through the air.